Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you to remove your headlight assembly on your 2012 Toyota Camry. A couple reasons why you would remove this is it's broken, or maybe or if it was a vehicle with a really tight space back here where you can't get into. This one you can actually remove the battery and be able to get here, but if this was the hybrid model you might not have as much space back here to be able to get the headlights and replace them, and say this is broken. So first I've removed the bumper, and there's a process to remove the bumper. You can view that. But I've removed the bumper. You could potentially get away with just taking this portion off, hanging the bumper down, undoing this and pulling this out, but it's just as simple to take the whole bumper off. So the whole bumper has been removed for this process. Then we've got 3 bolts that we get to up top here, number 10. We got 1 bolt down here that we got to remove. So with those 4 bolts removed, then what you'd have to do, if you just kind of pick it up, and there's a little bit of a lip on where the bolts were sitting. So you got to kind of pick up that tab to get it over the top of them on all of the 2 there, and then the whole unit will pull out. Right? Then we pull it out. Now we have to undo the electric on the back. So now we'll undo all the electrical connectors by pressing them, or you could take the whole light bulbs out themselves, just twist them counterclockwise, either way. And then just unhook all your electric connectors here, and that's how you fully remove your headlight assembly for replacement if things are broken, or if you were removing it just to take care of the headlights, you can just individually twist the headlights so you counterclockwise, pull them out, replace which ones need to be replaced, and twist them back the same way with this one, and whatnot. Right? So when you're going to go ahead and put the new one back on, because you needed to replace it because it's broken, just make all the connections back. You can do it all now, or you can do it once it's installed, but we have ease of access, so we'll just hit all the electric connectors back together. All the electrical connections are made solid. So now you'll just want to take the light assembly, press it back in. Make sure everything lines up, and then just go ahead and put the 4 bolts back in. And that's how you would replace your headlight assembly on your Toyota Camry. Then you would go ahead and put the bumper back on, and all that process. Thanks for watching.